Let us take you through the step-by-step guide to installing the Mira Advance electric shower. Start by ensuring the electrical supply is off at the mains. Next, use the template provided along with a spirit level to establish the position of the shower unit. Check that the wall behind the fixing holes is clear of wires or pipework using a stud detector. Then drill the required fixing holes and insert the wall plugs supplied. Remove the screw at the base of the unit and separate the cover and splash guard from the unit. Turn the inlet connector to suit the supply pipe. Make sure not to trap the earth wire. Complete any soldering away from the appliance. Now flush through the pipework to wash out any debris before connection. Present the unit to the wall and connect the supply pipe finger tight. Affix it to the wall with the screws provided. Support the inlet connection when tightening the compression fitting. Ensure all electrical connections are fully tight. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. Then hold down the bleed button to prime the appliance until water flows from the showerhead. Repeat this step 3 times. After carefully drying any water from the unit, strip the cables and firmly connect the conductors. Refit the splash guard to the appliance. Plastic inserts are provided to finish the top and bottom of the unit case as required. Connect the ribbon cable to the inside of the cover, then refit the cover to the unit. Replace the screw on the base to secure the cover. Note that no silicone is required to seal the appliance. Mark the fixing holes for the shower fittings using the bar as a guide. Drill the fixing holes and use the wall plugs provided. Attach the base of the bar and slide on the soap dish and the clamp bracket. Affix the top screw. Then slot on the end caps. Attach the hose, making sure that the rubber washers are in place at both ends. Next, follow the commissioning process in your installation and user guide. Now your Mira Advance is ready to use.